You walk past them every day. They don't flash luxury, they don't brag online, and they definitely don't seek validation from strangers. Yet, while the world scrolls through highlight reels, these people quietly expand their portfolios, compound their equity, and collect dividend income while sipping coffee in peace. They are the silent millionaires, people who play the wealth game differently. They understand that true affluence doesn't scream. It whispers through systems, patience, and control. You'll rarely spot them at expensive brunches. Their investments do the brunching. They're not chasing brand names, they're buying shares in the companies behind those brands. And if you've ever thought, I need a lucky break to build wealth, this video is your wake-up call. The truth? Every person who secretly has millions started exactly where you are now, unsure, curious, and maybe even a little broke, but they developed habits invisible to most. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the invisible habits that quietly separate the wealthy from the wishful, each one simple to understand, powerful to apply, and guaranteed to change how you see money forever. If you're eager to build a life of abundance, hit subscribe now. We're committed to sharing proven methods and insights to help you succeed. Let's begin with habit number 1. The one thing every hidden millionaire does without fail. They respect boredom and consistency. The world glamorizes excitement, fast trades, luxury unboxings, next big thing investments. But real wealth grows in silence. Hidden millionaires understand that consistency beats intensity. They repeat small, smart actions every day, reading market updates, adding to positions, tracking expenses, reviewing allocations. Nothing glamorous, but relentlessly effective. Their strength lies in discipline, not thrill. They view boredom as the ultimate competitive advantage. While others chase novelty, they let compounding do the heavy lifting. Think of it like this. The same investor who deposits a fixed amount into an ETF every month for years outperforms 90% of traders chasing momentum. That's the paradox of wealth. Dull processes create exciting outcomes. This consistency also extends beyond finance. They eat predictably, exercise regularly, maintain stable routines. So, if your life feels repetitive, good. It means you're compounding. And those who master monotony quietly accumulate what others only dream about. Number 2, they automate wealth like it's breathing. People who secretly have millions don't rely on willpower, they rely on automation. They've set up their wealth so that money moves automatically to investment accounts, before temptation even has a chance. While most people plan to invest after expenses, these individuals do the opposite. They invest first, live on what remains, and never look back. They build invisible pipelines that push cash into dividend-paying ETFs, index funds, or other long-term assets every month. They've eliminated decision fatigue. There's no, should I invest this month? The transfer happens automatically, whether markets are up, down, or sideways. That discipline creates a consistency the market rewards over decades. Automation also shields them from emotional investing. When fear dominates headlines, the system still buys quietly. Over time, that habit compounds, turning modest monthly amounts into life-changing sums. You don't need a financial advisor to copy this. Most brokerage platforms let you set recurring investments in ETFs or mutual funds. Start with whatever amount doesn't hurt. Then automate the growth. Next habit is about what these people never do, even when everyone else is seduced by trends. Number 3, they ignore the noise and play the long game. The secret rich understand that wealth is not built in news cycles. They've learned to mute chaos. When markets swing, amateurs panic. Hidden millionaires simply log in, glance at their portfolio, maybe buy more, then go back to living. They see volatility as opportunity, not threat. They treat investing like planting trees, consistent care, not constant digging. Their portfolios are structured for decades, not dopamine hits. They know that index funds, dividend stocks, and solid blue-chip companies reward patience with compounding returns far beyond short-term speculation. While others chase crypto fads or meme stocks, these people are reinvesting dividends and adjusting asset allocation quietly. They're building wealth the boring way, which, ironically, is the most exciting way when you look at the results. Try this shift yourself. Next time the market dips, ask, if I liked this company last month, why would I hate it now that it's cheaper? That's how long-term thinkers act. The invisible rich don't measure progress in weeks. They measure in decades, and decades always reward discipline. Number 4. They create money that works while they sleep. For the silent, wealthy, passive income isn't a dream. It's a design. They deliberately build systems that generate cash, whether they're awake, traveling, or offline. They've realized one truth. Financial freedom doesn't come from high salaries. It comes from uncoupling time from money. So, every investment they make is judged by one question. Will this pay me without my presence? That's why they avoid businesses that depend on their daily involvement. Instead, they look for automation, royalties, interest, or dividend-based returns. Some even set up online ventures or digital assets that bring recurring income without constant maintenance. And here's what most miss. They reinvest that passive income. It's not for lifestyle inflation. It's fuel for the next asset. If you ever wanted to know the difference between comfort and wealth, it's that the comfortable have income they work for, while the wealthy have income that works for them. Number 5. They think like owners, not earners. Invisible millionaires share a mindset. They own, they don't rent. Not just property, but value creation. Instead of thinking, how can I earn more? They ask, how can I own more? Ownership is leverage. Whether it's equity in a company, intellectual property, or even a small share in a growing business, ownership multiplies potential. They study how systems work, how profits flow, how dividends are issued, how equity appreciates. They're not obsessed with salary raises. They're obsessed with increasing ownership stake. This shift changes everything. Employees trade time for money. Owners trade ideas for assets. One path stops when you rest. The other scales when you sleep. You don't need millions to start. Buying fractional shares, starting a small online brand, or investing through ETFs are all ownership acts. The key is to stop renting your life to others and start owning tiny pieces of value that compound forever. They know that wealth isn't about control over people. It's about control over your time. And ownership is the only ticket to that freedom. Next habit, one that the public never sees, but it's where quiet millionaires truly separate from the crowd. Number 6, they keep cash flow, lean and lifestyle simple. There's a reason you rarely see the wealthy looking expensive. They've mastered financial minimalism. Their homes are comfortable but not oversized. Their wardrobes functional. Their cars reliable. Why? Because they understand every unnecessary expense steals from future capital. They track spending with the same attention others give to Instagram feeds. Every dollar must justify its existence. Either it earns, protects, or compounds. Hidden millionaires rarely fall into lifestyle creep. When their income rises, their expenses stay almost the same. The surplus flows directly into investment vehicles, ETFs, real estate, or equity stakes. Simplicity creates liquidity. It allows quick opportunities, maybe a market dip or a private deal, to be seized without selling long-term assets. Here's the irony. The simpler their lives become, the richer they feel. Without debt pressure or consumption anxiety, money becomes a tool, not a trap. So, if you ever wonder why the neighbor with the plain house quietly retired early, now you know. Number 7. They stay calm when everyone else panics. If wealth had a scent, it would smell like composure. Hidden millionaires master emotional control. They've trained themselves to respond, not react. When markets crash, they buy selectively. When inflation spikes, they rebalance instead of complain. They understand cycles, that fear and greed are constants, but discipline decides the winner. Their calmness isn't luck, it's preparation. They've seen enough volatility to trust their systems. Calmness protects returns. It keeps you from selling quality stocks during temporary declines or over-leveraging during hype phases. And now, the final habit. The invisible mindset that unites everything you've learned. Number 8. They measure wealth in freedom, not figures. People who secretly have millions don't obsess over net worth. They measure time. How many days can they live life on their terms without worrying about bills? That's real wealth. Their portfolios, cash flow, and passive income streams are designed to buy freedom units. Every dollar invested is a vote for independence. They don't chase status. They chase options. The ability to say no without fear, to choose projects, travel, or simply rest. They know money is worthless if it costs peace. That's why they structure assets for sustainability, not spectacle. Their index funds, real estate, and businesses quietly support lives rich in control, not chaos. Wealth isn't hidden in numbers. It's hidden in how you spend your hours. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. If you're curious about 10 Dutch frugal habits which actually save a lot of money, that's exactly what I cover in the next video. See you there.